Hello everyone and welcome to a Black Friday special edition newsletter from Nordic Anglers. Today I'm going to show you a bit of the selection of all the stuff that is on sale right now. It's Black Friday or Black Weekend because all of these are going to be for the weekend and only for the weekend. We have just added more than 2,500 different fly tying articles that has been marked down by 60%. You can find these in the fly tying section of the Black Friday sales at Nordic Anglers, and that's just one of the things. Otherwise, I couldn't, possibly fit all of those in here and show you every one of them. So that's just to say they're all there. They're available as long as stocks last. So swing by and get some. The other thing that we do this year, as we've done all the other years, is we have a lot of different bundled products. These bundled products are basically individual, and you do not know exactly what you're getting, but what I can tell you is you'll get a great lot of value for your money. This is just an example of one of them. In here you have some different types of foam, some fur, even a cape from I think that's actually a whiting one, a lot of dubbing and stuff, and basically these are extremely cheap compared to all the stuff that's in there. In this one you have some boar bristle, you have some lagertun, some beads, some foam, some dubbings, and a lot of stuff as well. We have a ton of different ones of these. We also have some with 4 different half capes from Kirk at an extremely bargain price. So in the shop you should go to bundle products, and there you will see all of that. The next thing I want to show you is the Lamson liquid wheel. We have for a period had this on sale for 30% off, but on the Black Weekend, on Black Friday and the weekend, we're gonna have this at 40% off. So I can guarantee you this reel has never been sold any cheaper than this. It's an excellent reel. It's one of the best-selling reels we've had in the shop. It's both the liquid and the remix, and it's both in these 3 packs where you get a reel and two spools, but also just the individual reels. So really bargain prices on great fly reels. Another thing is we have marked down quite a bit of whiting. In this one in particular, this one is the hackle combo, and you save more than 30% on this. I think it's actually closer to 40. I can't recall or calculate that exactly in my head in euros, but this is the really excellent offer. You get 4 different capes for tying dry flies, all the best colors, at a very low price. The price on this is never going to be lower, and it's only for this weekend. We also have some complete rabbit pelts, quite a lot of those, and these are less than 10 euros. So if you're tying songa flies or anything of that sort, then there is just a ton of different colors of these, a lot of different natural colors as well, and these normally retail for more than, I think, about 35 euros, and now they're less than 10, so a big savings on these. Some really cool colors, excellent stuff. The next thing, what is the next thing? Oh yeah, all TFO throughout the sale are 20% down. So in this weekend, all TFO rods are 20% down. At least there are some models that we have marked down even further, but you get 20% discount on all TFO during this weekend. We also have a few left of the Winston rods, both the Winston Salt and also the Winston Alpha Plus. These rods have only been used for demos and on grass. So basically they are as mint as can be, and these are marked down by 40%. So if you're in the market for a new saltwater rod or a new rod to cast big flies easily, then you can get a rod from absolutely the top of the shelves at a really big discount. All of these are, of course, as long as stock lasts or throughout the weekend. So basically there is a ton more of this, and as I said, more than in the category of fly tying, there are more than 2,500 products that has been marked down by more than 60%. So I can only urge you to swing by Nordic Anglers to see this really huge Black Friday sales, and we'll hope to see you there. We have brought in every single one we know, so we will be ready to pack your order as soon as it gets to us. So swing by Nordic Anglers for this biggest Black Friday sales we've ever hosted. Hope to see you there, and hopefully you can find some cool stuff at a very big discount. Thank you for watching, and yeah, swing by Nordic Anglers to see all this stuff. Oh, and of course, good luck out on the water. Thank you for watching.